Push-ups, this freehand exercise is absolutely amazing. If you know how to do push-ups, you can easily able to do any power training, because doing the freehand exercise is the most difficult thing. When I started my training, I was not able to do my push-ups correctly. As you can see how professionally, how correctly I'm doing in this video. But when I started, I was not able to do at least one push-up. So first, once you do it in a proper way, what will happen, your weight training would becomes very easy. So performing a push-ups in best way, what you have to do, you have to start with just normal, just take a normal shoulder wide grip, as you can see right in this video, and just go down and try to squeeze your chest muscle. Here I'm just trying to create the just try to create that, like squeezing my chest muscle. In that way, you giving some extra pump to your chest muscle. So this is how you have to perform. Your back should be very straight, only your front portion will be moving, no back movement would be there in this push-up session.